Welcome to another unboxing from the Perth Mint. Today we're excited to unveil the remarkable Alicanto 2024 2-ounce silver antique coloured coin featuring a beautiful artistic depiction of the magical creature from Chilean folklore. Accompanied by an illustrated certificate of authenticity, this 99.99% pure silver coin is packaged in a unique display case adorned with artistic illustrations. What makes this coin truly special is the case comes with a unique keyhole design to view the gold and silver particles floating in a clear liquid within a Perspex dome, all visible without even opening the case. The coin itself features artwork by a talented designer, Sean Rogers. His depiction of the Alicanto includes a gold-coloured eye with its silvery head, wings and tail tinged with gold. The striking backdrop captures a gold-coloured moon, desert mountains and our P125 anniversary mint mark. The obverse depicts the Jody Clark effigy of His Majesty King Charles III and a circular pattern surrounded by the coin's weight, purity, monetary denomination and 2024 year date. Featuring a timeless antiques treatment, acquire this magical treasure and add it to your collection today. With a mintage of just 2,500 coins, we recommend ordering as soon as possible, either from the Perth Mint shop or online at perthmint.com.